got a new adapter. Styles of hose clamp pliers. I'm gonna try this one out first. Alright, let's see what we can do. So I just put some paper underneath to catch any coolant that might fall, and then there's 2 clamps holding it on, so just take them both off. Some pliers or hose clamp pliers, and then put your new adapter on. Just keep working back. That one's off. And take the next one off. Once you got a grip on the other one, just work the other one back off. Oh, lost it. Alright, we got that piece of shit off. Stainless steel, baby. Go ahead and put the new one in. Just gotta get this shit out, and I can reattach. That back. Now I just need to go get some needle nose pliers or something to pull that out. Be able to get it out with these needle nose. Put the hose back on. Slide your fucking clamp on. You're good to go. Just clean everything up.